This is ANN News Brief.
Good afternoon. I am Lucy Adeyemi. Liberian health authorities have announced there is an outbreak of Lassa fever that they say has killed at least 21 persons since January this year, including one healthcare worker. Liberia's Deputy Health Minister and Chief Medical Officer Francis Kate says more than 90 cases have been reported across the country, but 25, including the 21 deaths, have so far been confirmed. Lassa fever is an animal-borne acute viral illness. In Liberia, it is spread mainly by rats and cockroaches. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control says neighboring countries are also at risk. Authorities say the current outbreak is a matter of serious concern because it is happening at a time of the year when it is not expected. Even though Keita says Lassa fever has been a usual health problem in some parts of Liberia for a very long time. Sudan's Prime Minister Abdallah Hamdok has approved 14 members of his cabinet, the first to be appointed since the fall of long-term leader Omar Al-Bashir in April. A source said on Tuesday the nominations include Sudan's first female foreign minister and a former World Bank economist as its new finance minister, who will face an economic crisis that has deepened in recent months. A member of the main civilian group in the ruling Sovereign Council said Hamdok approved them, along with 12 other new ministers. The government will lead a 3-year transition to elections under a power-sharing deal between the military and civilian opposition. The Prime Minister was expected to announce the full cabinet in the next 2 days. We'll return after this message.
We are on the road every day, canvassing throughout Africa for news you really need. We follow this story everywhere, from every corner of Nigeria to the wide African expanse. We bring you what's making headlines. We connect you with news you can use. ANN, African News Network, in a truly African spirit.
Ambulance boat is helping save lives of Ugandans living on the 7 islands on Lake Byonyi. Canoes are the main mode of transportation for residents of this lake, and they rely on ambulance boats when it comes to medical emergencies. In a period of 1 year, over 600 mothers have had the access to health care using the boat ambulance. Health workers here say it is efficient and saves lives.
Whenever these mothers come here for antenatal checkup, we normally write, they normally write the number, my number, on their books. So as whenever they have contractions, they just call over the phone and we go to pick them.
To reduce the cost, Biana Magara, a community-led health initiative, donated this boat. They also provide fuel to pick up expectant mothers. Health workers here say the number of hospital deliveries has gone up because of the increasing demand for the service.
Daily in the antenatal, we receive approximately 15 mothers for antenatal.
It is hoped that more lives will be saved with more of these initiatives starting up. And that's ANN News Brief. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I am Lucy Adeyemi.